To enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we want to proceed to the mobile networks. Now over here in mobile networks, we should be able to go to your SIM. And then here we have make calls using Wi-Fi, which we can easily enable or disable just by tapping on the switcher. And of course, sometimes you can have network preferences settings related to Wi-Fi calling. In some cases, it just says Wi-Fi calling instead, but this is exactly the same thing. In some cases, you can also find Wi-Fi calling button in the control center. And also you can go to the phone app. On the homepage, you can tap on the 3 lines in the upper left corner and you can open settings, and sometimes in here we can find Wi-Fi calling option available as well by going to the calling accounts. And in my case, it seems that it is not available in here, so unfortunately I cannot find it here in this place, but nevertheless sometimes it is available in here. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.